Do you think eating healthy means boring salads and tasteless food? Think again. Because today, we're diving into a list of powerful, delicious, and life-changing foods that not only taste great, but also help you fight diseases, boost energy, and feel younger every single day. These are everyday foods with extraordinary benefits. So grab a pen and notebook, because your next grocery list might look very different after watching this video. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These leafy greens are nutritional gold mines. They're packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with folate and fiber. Eating greens daily can reduce the risk of heart disease, slow cognitive decline, and even protect against certain cancers. Tips: add them to smoothies, soups, or omelets for an easy health boost. The brighter your plate, the better. Carrots, bell peppers, beets, and tomatoes. These vibrant veggies are rich in antioxidants and fight free radicals that cause aging and disease. Especially lycopene in tomatoes. It helps prevent prostate cancer and support skin health. Think of your plate as a rainbow. More colors equals more nutrients. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which your body needs but can't produce on its own. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, support brain function, and lower the risk of heart attacks. Don't underestimate the power of legumes. Beans and lentils are high in fiber, plant-based protein, and iron, making them excellent for heart and gut health. They stabilize blood sugar and keep you full longer. Diabetics and Weight Watchers, this is your superfood. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, small in size but big in benefits. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which support memory, protect your heart, and even slow down aging. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These tiny foods are nutritional powerhouses. They're high in good fats, magnesium, and protein, great for your brain, skin, and joints. But be careful, they're calorie-dense. A small handful is enough. Creamy, satisfying, and incredibly nutritious. Avocados contain heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and potassium, more than bananas. They help control cholesterol, support weight management, and reduce belly fat. Add slices to toast or blend into smoothies. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's medicine in disguise. It lowers blood pressure, boosts the immune system, and even has antibacterial properties. This ancient drink is full of antioxidants like EGCG, known to fight fat and inflammation. Green tea boosts metabolism, improves brain function, and may even lower cancer risk. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, no sugar of course. Coconut oil, coconut water, coconut milk, all offer unique benefits. Coconut oil contains MCTs, a fat your body burns fast for energy. It's good for skin, brain, and digestion. Water, the most underrated superfood. Yes, plain water. It keeps your organs functioning, flushes out toxins, and improves skin and brain performance. Dehydration causes fatigue, cravings, and even headaches. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, more if it's hot. Remember, you don't have to change everything overnight. Just start with one small change. Your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.